Hello my dear friends, welcome back again in the new video of Power Learning channel. If you are new on this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. We are making videos on diesel generator and electrical engineering. So today's our topic is engine lubrication. Lubrication of engine, what are the safeties and what are the levels, operating level of oil, and why oil is important in the engine. So the engine oil provides a thin film between moving parts, reducing friction and wear. This is essential to prevent metal to metal contact, which can cause significant damage and reduce the engine life. As you know guys, the metal when they are working together, so they make friction and friction make heating. So due to prevent engine from overheating, we are using engine oil to prevent the engine cool and also lubricate the parts so they will not get frictionized. So oil helps dissipate heat generated by the engine operation and it carries heat away from the engine. Also cleaning is very important. Engine oil picks up dirt, debris and contamination from the engine and keep the engine clean, because when the oil is like a blood in the engine. If we don't have blood or clean blood in our body, so we will die. So the similarly we are using oil filter to clean the engine oil continuously, and the engine oil pump is pumping the engine oil from via oil filter. So every 250 hours we have to change the generator oil filter and also the bypass filters. So corrosion prevention, oil forms a protective layer on metal surfaces, preventing rust and corrosion from the engine. Now we will see sealing. Oil also provide sealing to engine. Oil helps seal gaps between the piston and the rings and cylinder walls, improving engine efficiency and preventing the loss of compression. So as you know, engine is also in engine very important, our oil sealing. So now we will see some of the operating oil pressure in the engine. So idle running speed is 10 to 20 psi, pounds per square inch. Okay, and now we will see low oil pressure warning. So generally sets around 15 to 20 psi. When your engine is going near to the low oil pressure, it's generate a warning around 15 to 20 psi. A warning light or alarm will activate to alert the operator of potential issues. So now we will see low oil pressure shutdown. When the engine turn on the low oil pressure safety, typically we will set 5 to 10 psi. If the oil pressure falls below this critical level, the engine will automatically shut down to prevent the damage from the inadequate lubrication. So now we will see the summary of this video. These values ensure that the engine operates within a safe range, providing adequate lubrication to all moving parts. Okay, so these pressures, so monitoring oil pressure is essential to prevent severe engine damage. So my dear friend, oil is very important for the generators. So always take care of your oil and always change on the time. Even if you are using any kind of internal combustion engine, okay, you have to change oil every 250 hours. So now we will see the summary of engine oil protection values. What are the values? These are very important. Normal oil pressure at idle speed 10 to 20 psi, normal oil pressure operating speed 30 to 60 psi, and low oil pressure warning is 15 to 20 psi, and low oil pressure shutdown is 5 to 20 psi. By adhering to these standard values and ensuring your oil pressure sensor is functioning correctly, you can protect your diesel generator engine from potential damage. So this is all for today my dear friends. If you have any question, comment us below.